Hello, this is my video for my assignment. So my last name is Scholes, first name Liam, and student number 101269754. Okay, so now I'll show you cloning my repository. To do that, you get the HTTPS link from here. I go into VS Code, put this command in, and put the link at the end of the command. Enter. Now I'm cloning the repository, the branch specifically. Nice, so I cloned it into my test folder. When I'm here, I want to change directories into A1, Scholes, 1, 2, 3, 5, and then change into A3. Nice. Now that we're here, what else do I need to do? A3, so I'm going to show you downloading cloning your repository on your machine. Yeah, I want to run npl install. In here, nice, okay. We'll show my project structure. Briefly show your express route, show your Cypress Tesla file locations. Okay, my server is here and has all my routes. Login, log out, books, my books, I have a couple. Yeah, and then what was it again? It was Cypress test file location. It's Cypress in the Cypress folder. It's right here. This is where I have all the Cypress tests, and I did use commands, so I have a commands folder because I often found kind of redundant code, so I just decided to make some commands like this one, which does what it says, logs in and returns book. Okay, I don't have a lot of time. Yeah, so this is my file. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I think it's installed now. Let me see. How are you downloading your processing machine? Install, show product structure, show express. Like this is the product structure. Yeah, backend. Okay. Start express. Okay, so I'm just gonna start it now. What is going on? Yeah. Not done. Okay, I guess I can go over other things in the meantime. Yeah, okay. I define 3 scenarios. Yeah. Okay. So I'll go over the assertions. So this is for scenario 1. So this is my first assertion. Bob cannot borrow the checked out book. So the borrow button is disabled because I don't want him to even try, and the status is checked out of the book, that row. Assertion. Now that I think Alice returned the book becomes available again after return. Yeah, the book is now available now again, and the button is enabled, so Bob can press the button to borrow the book. Assertion. Yeah, here. My button disabled, plus on hold, stays confirmed. Charlie's not. Oh my god, finally. Right, Charlie's not the next in the hold queue. Oh yeah, so this is where the borrower returns the book, but Charlie's the second one in the hold queue, not the top, so he doesn't get a notification. Bob receives hold available notification first in, first out. Oh yeah, but Bob receives a notification. He's now allowed to borrow the book because he's the top of the hold queue. Press borrow alert. He gets a successful borrow when he borrows the book. Assertion. Charlie now gets a notification first in, first out. Yeah, Charlie now gets the notification after Bob returns the book for the to borrow it. Charlie can now borrow the book. And so Charlie can borrow the book. Borrow and disable. Reach. So this just checks if all the buttons if they're disabled when the maximum borrow limit is reached, and this shows what the UI should be showing. Tests what the UI should be showing for the user. Hold place message. Yeah, so when the user places a hold, this asserts that that's the message that pops up. Return confirmation. Yeah, book returned. How many more are there? Holy crap. Yeah, okay, you guys get the point. Alright, so now I'm going to run the app. Okay, so npm start. Bam. And then I'm going to run the Cypress after this does that. Localhost, cool. Alright, well, I'm going to go over that later. For now, I'm going to run Cypress. I don't know how much more time I have. Bam. Okay, we watch this. Watch this part. Oh crap, I'm in the wrong thing. CD, you have to CD into A1. Skulls. Liam. 1, 0, 1, 2, 4. 3. There we go. So it's running. Okay, here we go. There we go. Nice. Alright, all specs passed. Yeah, so that's the results. I can even run it again. Alright, so where do I want to do next? I think I went over all this. Test scenario, show each scenario passing, show the summary of all passing tests. Yeah, so they all passed. So now I need to Excel file. Scenarios pass view. Yeah, okay, so I just need to show this video demonstrates the user logging into the library and borrowing a book, logging out, and then the same user logging in, return the book, and log out. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the server, or the app, and then, so I'm going to log in as Alice, pass 1, 2, 3, borrow a book. Oh, well, my server was already up. Alice has 3 books already. Okay, I want to redo it. Oh my god. Nice, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to borrow. So I borrowed a book, got the confirmation, checked out, back to menu, log out. I am sure I want to log out. Now let's go back. Alice, again, pass 1, 2, 3, log in, return book. Now we got the book with the due date, returned, book returned. Nice, back to menu, and log out again. Awesome. I think that should conclude the, I think I went over everything. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for listening. Moat.